tell you about someone I admire. For me, the most interesting person or singer is Taylor Swift. She was a songwriter at the first, but she became a singer in 2004 when she was 14. She was born in West Reading, Pennsylvania, on 13th of December 1989. In 2006, she released her first album and it becomes known as a young country singer. In 2008, she released Fearless. It became one of her breakthrough albums to the song Love Story and You Belong With Me. In 2009, the MTV Video Music Awards incident with Kanye West happened during her award speech. In 2010, she released Big Mouth, which she wrote completely by herself. Also, from 2012 until 2021, she released her album and it became famous. In 2026, she started releasing re-recorded called Taylor's version beginning with Fearless. In 2024, she released the third Hold with Detachment. I like Taylor Swift because of her songs. Most of her songs are interesting and popular, especially for example, Through Summer. It is her most popular song. Thank you for playing.